y'all, super easy one for you today. Just going to do some copycat McGriddles using my Hamilton Beach breakfast sandwich maker. While it's preheating, since they're both frozen, I like to go ahead and brown the sausage on both sides and warm up the pancakes. These pancakes are the perfect size, but you can also do English muffins or bagels. Browning the sausage and warming up the pancakes or thawing them out is just the extra step. It's not necessary. I just like to do it. These are delicious with the maple flavored sausage, but you can use any type of sausage you have, bacon or ham. Now that it's preheated, I just go ahead and remove the sausage and just do a quick wipe down. You do have to follow a certain order, so you want to place your bread in first, whatever type you're using, and then your cheese. This is thinly sliced, so I'm using 2 slices each, and then whatever breakfast meat you're using. And then you'll just close it down. You will need to spray the top lightly, and then you want to add your egg. Now you want to break the yolk. Just helps it cook faster. And then you add your salt and pepper. I'm having to do everything from a weird angle, so it's kind of strange looking. And then you'll top it off with your whatever bread you're using. And you want to set it for 5 minutes. After the timer goes off, it will beep. I just like to unplug it, and then you just want to pull the little lever, and that drops the egg down onto the sausage and cheese. Now, I like to use a lot of cheese, so it's going to be a little bit messy, but to me, more cheese the better. It looks like I'm struggling right here, but it was just because I'm standing at a weird angle, like I said earlier. And I always like to just wipe it down because I am making more after these two. And they are so delicious, so cheesy, piping hot, so you got to let them sit for a few minutes. I flipped them over so you can see how brown the bottoms get. The bottoms, of course, will get browner because it's hotter. I go ahead and like to salt and pepper the other side of the egg because nobody wants one side of seasoning. These are way better than the McGriddle and like 4 times the size. But to give it that flavor, I do like to dip it in syrup. That's something you can do or not. It's up to you. It's so delicious. I'd advise you to at least try it. I have yet to meet a gadget that I didn't love. So if you get a chance to pick one of these up, do it. You won't regret it.